let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So we'll do our intro and our verse together. The piano starts and then we just start on the A chord at the end of the intro with a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's the end of the intro. Then for our verse we go to an E chord, same strumming pattern, one bar. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then go to an F sharp minor. We're going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then play the open B string, hammer onto second fret, 4 on the G. Go back to the E chord. This time we're going to do a down, down, up, down. Then we're going to go to an E sus4, up, up, down, up. Back to the E, down, down, up. So. To an F sharp minor, just a down, down, up. To an E the same, down, down, up. To the D, back to our original strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then A the same. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now the next part's going to be the same except for our first E. We're going to do the E, E sus4, E, like we did in that first line. So E, down, down, up, down, down, to E sus4, up, up, down, up, back to the E, down, down, up, to the F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and our little fill. The E the same as before, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and then finish the same, F sharp minor, down, down, up, E, down, down, up, the D for a full bar, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, back to the A the same. And that's our first verse there. So for our pre-chorus we're going to start on a B minor and do down, down, up, to the B sus2, down, down, up, and repeat that again, down, down, up, down, down, up, to F sharp minor, back to our original strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, back to the B minor to the B sus2 again, down, up, down, down, to the F sharp minor this time, down, down, up, down, down, up, same on the E, down, up, down, down, up, so they're just a half a bar each, and then finish on the D the same with a full bar, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So guitar 2 we're starting on the B sus2, we're going to play 4 on the G, 2 on the A, then jump to the B string, 2, G4, B2, G4, 2, 4 again, and then B2, G2, D2. So we have four on the D, 2 on the G, 2 on the B, then go to 2D, 4D, 2G, 4D, 2 on the B. So slowly. Then we're going back to the B sus4 again, 4G, 2A. This time we're going between the B and the G, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2 on the B and then 2 on the G, 2B, 2G, 2D, 2G, 2D, then back to the 4 on the D, 2G, 2B, 2G. So now we have four on the D, 2G, 2B, 2G. To an E chord, strum, then just play the G, E, G, to a D chord, and we're going to arpeggio pick D, G, E, B, and again D, G, E, B. And they're all the parts to the pre-chorus. So for our chorus, guitar 1, we're starting on the A, and most of these are half bars, so we're going to do it down, down, up, down, down, up. Same on the E. Down, down, up. Then go to a D, this time we're doing down, down, up, down. Then we're doing a D over C sharp. So just play the D chord, add your little finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and just a down to the B minor, the same. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Back to the A, the same. Same on the E. Then our F sharp minor, just down, down, up to E, down, down, up, and then a bar on the D, so the same as our intro. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Repeat that line again, except we're only doing a 2 count on the D. So down, down, up, down to the E, down, down, up, down, down, up, F sharp minor, down, down, up, E, down, down, up, and D, down, down, up, down, down, up. Repeat that again. A, down, down, up, down, down, up. E the same. F sharp minor, down, down, up, E, down, down, up, and then a full bar on D and a full bar on A. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up to A. Down, down, that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 is just following the acoustic. We have an A power chord to a high E power chord to a D, and just on the A string play 4, 2, back to the A, to the E, then we're going F sharp, E to the D, hold for 2, then play it another 3, back to the A, E, F sharp, E, D, hold for 2, and then A, E, F sharp, E, D, hold for 2, then 1, 2, 3, and finish on the A. And that's guitar 2. Let's have a look at guitar 3. So guitar 3 is nearly all arpeggio picking. Start on the A chord, pick the A, E, B, G, then go to an E chord, play the E string, high E, B, E, go to a D chord, play the open D, the B and the G, then go to 4th fret on the A, 2nd fret on the A, and play 3rd fret B, 2nd E, 3rd B. So we have to the E, to the D, back to the A, this time open A string, E, B, E, same on the E, open E, B, E, then we're going to an F sharp minor, play 2nd fret E, play the D, G, D, then play the open E, and we're going to play 2nd fret G, 2nd fret B, 2nd fret G, strum a D chord, and then just play B, G, B, G, D, E, B, G, E, G, B. Go back to the A, the same, A string, E, B, E, E the same, E string, E, B, E. Now we're going to do 2nd fret on the E, 2nd fret E, B and G, open E, 2nd fret B, G and D, back to the D chord, strum, then just play B, G, B, then we go back to the A and that's the same, E the same, to our F sharp minor, second fret E, and then just play D, G, D to an E chord, open, and D, G, D to our D chord. Strum once and then play the B, G, D, G, B, G, and then we play open E, third fret B, open E, third fret B, open E, third fret B. So there we go. And to finish off, we have the A again, second fret B, second G, second B, then play A, D, G, B, open B, second fret B, open E, and then second fret G, second on the D. So there's a lot there, just take your time with that one. So then for our second verse, it's exactly the same as our first verse, except we leave out the fills on the F sharp minor, just play it as one bar. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. We're not putting our fill in there, and that's the only change. Then we go back to our pre-chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. So for our second chorus, all the guitar parts stay the same. The only change is we leave out the A on the end of the chorus here. We just finish on the D, and then we're going into the bridge. So let's have a look at that. So for our bridge, guitar 1's the acoustic again, same strumming pattern as before, C sharp minor for a bar, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Same on the A. Back to the C sharp minor again, the same. Then to an E, the same. To the D, the same. Guitar 1, so we'll look at guitar 2. So guitar 2, we're following the acoustic, we're just playing the power chord. So we have a C sharp to the A, back to the C sharp, to an E, and then just finish on the D power chord there. And that's guitar 2. Let's have a look at guitar 3. So again, we'll be playing the same chords, but we'll be arpeggio picking. So we have the C sharp minor, and we just play the A, D, B, G, and do that twice. To an A chord, we're going to play the open A, D, E, B, strum the A chord, and then B, G, E, B, G. So back to the C sharp minor, the same as before. To an E, play the open E, G, E, B, open E, G, E, B, to the D chord, open D, G, E, B, and the same again. And they're all the parts to the bridge. Now for our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solo at the end. Guitar 1 is just playing our pre-chorus exactly the same. Guitar 2, our clean guitar is just coming in on the E. We're going to arpeggio pick, open E string, G, E, G, to the D, D, G, E, B, and again. And they're all the parts to the solo rhythm, and we'll do the solo at the end. Then we have our outro chorus, and guitar 1, 2 and 3 are going to stay the same. We just don't play the last A like we did in the second chorus and go back to the start of the chorus, and we just keep repeating to the end. Now let's have a look at the solo. start on the A string, 5, slide to 7, play 9, to the D string, 7, 9, 7, play 7 again and hammer on to 9, play 7 on the G with a bend, back to 9 on the D, then jump to 9 on the G with a bend, play 7B, 7E, to B, 10, 7, bend the 10, release it, then just play 7 on the B. Then we're going to jump to 9 on the D, G, 6, 7, 6, hammer on pull off, back to 9D, back to the G, 6, 7, 9, 7, then 6, 7, 6, hammer on pull off, 9 on the D, back to 6G, 7 on the D, 4G, 7D, 4G, 7D. So that part slowly. Stay on the D, 2, hammer on to 4, G, 2, 4 on the G, bend the 4, then 2, 4, 2 on the G, hammer on pull off, 4 on the D. Then we're doing this little sweep. We're going to have 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 2 on the E. So E, 3, 5, 3, then 2, 3, 2 on the E, hammer on and pull off, B, 5, 3, bend the 5, play 5 on the E, bend the 5 on the B again. Then we're going to do another little sweep. We're going to have 16 on the D, G, 14, B, 14, then B, 15, 17, 15, 14, 15, 14, hammer on pull off, G, 16, 14, bend the 17 on the B, play 17E, bend the 17 on the B again, then we have 15, pull off the 14 on the B, 16G, and do that again, and again. And then G, 14, 16, 14, 14, back to 11 3 times, 9 2 times. Then to finish off, slide up to 16 on the D, G, 14, 16, 14, bend the 16, play 17 on the B, bend the 16G again, then bend the 16 on the G and play the 17 on the B together, release and just 14 on the G. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed Don't Know What You Got Till It's Gone, Guitar Lesson by Cinderella. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs and I'll see you soon.